Pan that lamp around. There you go. Yeah, that's fine. Look at that coming down.
All right, who is it ready? Good. Let's shoot this one.
Okay, we're going, people. Let's all settle down. And roll camera.
Rolling.
Scene 163 Apple, take 3.
Fade.
Parker.
And action.
Cal, you'll have to give it back.
No, I made it for you, Dad. I want you to have it.
You'll have to give it back.
Who? I can't give it
To the people you got it from.
The British Purchasing Agency? I can't give it back to them, Dad.
Then give it back to the farmers you robbed.
We didn't rob anybody, Dad. We paid 2 cents a pound. 2 cents over market for that stuff.
Cal, I sign my name, and boys go out, and some of them die. And some live helpless without arms or legs. Not one will come back untorn. Do you think I could take a profit from that? I don't want the money, Cal. I couldn't take it. But thank you for the thought.
I'll keep it for you. I'll wrap it up and
I can't take it. I won't take it. Son, I'd be happy if you gave me something, well, something like your brother. Something honest and human and good. Now, don't be angry, son. If you want to give me a present, give me a good life. That's something I could value. No, Cal. No. Damn it! I'm sorry, Gadge.
Paddock!
Gadge, may I speak to you a moment? Privately.
Okay, let's not everybody fall apart.
What's up, Raymond?
Why is he trying to hug me that way? It's infuriating. What he's supposed to do is turn from me and exit. That is what... The last note is mine.
I understand.
What he's doing is humiliating my character.
I understand. I'll talk to him. I'll take care of it, Raymond.
Please do.
He'll be fine. He's right where we want him. But I need one more. You got another one in you? You just let me know when you're ready, okay? This time, try to kiss him. Raymond. I've talked to him, Raymond. He's very sorry, but
Well, I should think.
I don't know what to do with him either. I really need your help right now. If you could do me one favor.
What do you want?
If you could just stay in the scene and react in character no matter what he
Oh,
does.
Lord,
no matter
I can't
what he
do
does. If you could just wait for me to yell, cut.
You have no idea how difficult
I
this
understand.
is. He is
I
so
understand. But
unprofessional.
he's a young man.
Yes, he is.
You're a brilliant actor. You can help him. Help him and help me because I don't know what else to do.
All right.
All right, thanks. All right, everybody, let's take it from Adam's line. I sign my name right through Cal's exit, and no stops, no matter what.
Okay, everyone, back to one. Back to one.
I sign my name right through the end, okay?
All right.
Thank you. Let's go quickly.
Roll camera.
Scene 163 Apple, take 4.
That's good. Slate it.
Marker. And action.
Cal, I sign my name, and boys go out and some die. And some live helpless without arms or legs. Not one will come back untorn. Do you think I could take a profit from that? I don't want the money, Cal. I couldn't take it. Well, thank you for the thought.
I'll keep it for you. I'll just wrap it up.
I'll never take it! Son, I would be happy if you'd given me something, well, like your brother's given me. Something honest and human and good. Oh, don't be angry, son. If you want to give me a present, give me a good life. That's something I could value. Cal. Cal. Cal.
Cut. Print that one, please. That's no better than that.
Check the gate.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
I did. It was brilliant. Thank you. Right
Well,
on.